In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Genshin Impact no sound on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we start doing these fixes, I'm going to run through some quick pre-checks. So yeah, before diving in deeper. So basically, ensure your device volume is up. So your media volume, not just your ringtone. So that's on the side of your phone. Make sure that is set to sound on or maximum level. And also make sure the device is not in silent or vibrate mode. So I'm on an Android, I just slide it down. So if you're on the vibrate mode and your volume's down low like that, obviously you're not going to get any sound. So make sure you've got the slider, you know, kind of halfway near, and then make sure that is enabled like so. Now we can verify that audio works in other apps as well. So open up your music player video to rule out if it's a hardware issue. Now, if you've got headphones or Bluetooth audio connected, check if they're properly paired and recognized by the device as well. Now, let's go on to the fixes. So in-game audio settings on mobile. So go ahead and open up the game. Now, once we get into the game, we need to basically go to our master volume or music volume section. So that's going to be inside settings. Now, if you played around with your in-game settings and it didn't solve, we can go ahead and check the device itself. So go ahead and restart your phone. A reboot often clears up temporary glitches. Check for any software updates after you've done that. So I'm on the Android device. I'm going to scroll down, click in the settings. Now I'm going to scroll all the way down and then click on software update and go ahead and update any software. Now, if none of that works, we can go ahead and just simply uninstall the game. So click and hold down the game, uninstall, reinstall it to hopefully that fixes the issues.